Today, I am reviewing the HP 24-inch monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are setting up a home office, configuring a desk for a student, or just looking to add a secondary display to your current workspace, finding a reliable, high-quality monitor that does not break the bank can feel like a chore. Many budget options cut corners by offering dim screens, dated designs, or choppy refresh rates that lead to eye strain by the end of a long day. The 2026 latest model HP 24-inch monitor sets out to fix those exact issues. Designed as the direct successor to the incredibly popular M24f series, this upgraded display offers subtle but major improvements under the hood while maintaining the gorgeous, ultra-thin aesthetic that HP is famous for. Let's start with the visual experience. This monitor features a standard 24-inch screen with a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. This resolution serves as the perfect sweet spot for a 24-inch panel, offering clean text scaling and sharp details without demanding an expensive computer hardware setup to run it. The panel itself uses premium IPS technology. IPS screens are highly regarded for two reasons: near-perfect color accuracy and expansive 178-degree viewing angles. Whether you are sitting right in front of the display or someone is standing over your shoulder looking at a presentation, the colors stay vibrant and the image never washes out. Speaking of vibrancy, HP has boosted the brightness to a solid 300 nits. When you pair that extra brightness with its advanced anti-glare coating, this monitor easily handles bright rooms with open windows, completely deflecting annoying reflections that would normally cause you to squint. But the real upgrade over the older model is the jump to a 100Hz refresh rate. Most standard office monitors top out at a rigid 60 Hz. Moving up to 100 Hz means that everything from dragging a folder across your screen, scrolling down a long data spreadsheet, or watching video content feels completely fluid and buttery smooth. To make those long work sessions even more comfortable, the monitor features integrated flicker-free technology alongside a hardware-level low blue light filter. This filter effectively tones down harmful blue light wavelengths without turning your entire screen a muddy shade of yellow, heavily reducing eye fatigue and headaches during long work hours. Aesthetically, this display is an absolute stunner. It features a modern black and silver finish with an ultra-thin, three-sided borderless design. The virtually non-existent bezels make it a dream candidate for anyone looking to set up seamless, side-by-side dual monitors. To keep your workspace looking pristine, the stand also features integrated cable containment to tuck all your cords neatly out of sight. For connectivity, the back panel keeps things simple with one HDMI 1.4 port and one standard VGA port, meaning it easily hooks up to modern laptops as well as older desktop systems. It also includes an adjustable tilt range from -5 to +25 degrees, so you can angle it perfectly for your posture. A quick detail to keep in mind: this model does not support traditional VSA wall mounts, so you will want to use it on its included desktop stand. To sweeten the deal, this specific package comes bundled with a special edition Docztorm hub USB port expander. This handy, ultra-portable data hub plugs into your system and instantly gives you extra high-speed USB ports with data transfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second, making it incredibly convenient for plugging in flash drives, mice, or keyboards without reaching behind your computer. Ultimately, the 2026 HP 24-inch monitor proves that an everyday office display can look premium and perform beautifully. By blending a bright 300-nit IPS panel, a smooth 100Hz refresh rate, and a gorgeous borderless design, it is an exceptional, reliable workhorse for any modern desktop setup.